How to tie the Highwayman's hitch. So in front of me I've got my rope and the object that I want to tie the Highwayman's hitch to. The first thing you do is form a bight in your rope, then you pass that bight underneath the object. Having done that, you then form another bight in the standing end of your rope at this point here, and you pass that bight through the first bight. Pull up on your working end, and then what we do is in our working end we create another bight in our working end and we pass that bight through the last one. So pass that bight through the previous one and then pull up nice and tight, dress it smartly, and there we have 1 in number Highwayman's hitch.